Okay, welcome guys. This is another video. I'm actually using my voice. Okay, so I'm gonna show you a replay about my new deck. Okay, so my new deck is a Lavaloon deck. And instead of the minions, I put the wizard in because I thought it would be more useful. In this replay, it looks usefuler. Okay, so I put my tombstone down. He puts his Valkyrie and his knight down to do like a mini push. I put my wizard down in the back. He puts his elite barbarians down. I put my skeleton army down. Next, I put my Lavaloon down. He puts his wizard down. I tried to put my mega minion down, but it wouldn't do it. Then he freezes my troops, my supporting troops. Now he puts a knight down to take care of my wizard because it does more damage. To make sure that the tower doesn't lock onto the Mega Minion because since it does more damage, I zap the tower. His crown tower locks onto my Mega Minion and destroys it. I put another tombstone down. I'm basically going for the 3 crown. He puts a Valkyrie with elite barbarians. I put the elite barbarians and the Valkyrie. My wizard just taking care of that. I could have put my Lavaloon there. So I simply just put my Lavaloon in his base. So there, I start to get my balloon. My skeletons destroy that. I was actually sorry because I thought it was locking onto the balloon. I put a Mega Mini down. Then I put another tombstone to distract that Hog Rider. He freezes it, but this is where I know that I'm gonna win the battle. And then the mini takes another swing. I fireball the tower. I know that my wizard. I put a skeleton army down to get my zap, and I win the match with the zap. So I want to go to another battle with this deck. So, okay. We're going against a level 10 called OZ33. We're probably going to lose this, so I'm going to give him a crank face and a good luck. He's giving me a crank face back. I don't know why, but I think he's going to win. Looks like he just rocketed my tower. I'm going to put a wizard down. Followed by a balloon. I'm just wasting elixir. I think he has the elixir. The spell challenge. So basically he wants to 3 crown us with spells. So this might be a weakness. Skeleton army would be a good weakness if he didn't have zap. I'm gonna put a Lavaloon in the back. He has a P.E.K.K.A. I'm surprised now. I'm gonna put a wizard down to support that. I think I'm gonna put a blue down. Oh god, great. We put a skeleton army down quickly to defend my wizard. So let's just fireball down. I want to have a good game because this looks like the end. I was terrible good game. I think this was could do that. I'm gonna go to the other side. I think he's gonna play Spectre down. He's just gonna rocket the tower. Put a Mega Mini down. Followed by blue. We'll be ready for Fireball. Fireball the tower. This. Just quickly circle back. And circle back. I think he's gonna win the battle. Yep. We lost from a rocket from a level 10. Well, that's not unexpected. I'm gonna get into another battle. I'm gonna tell this guy, hey, DJ did better than you in the clan chest. So, he'll be your tech. Maybe, but maybe not. So yeah. Percent battery. So yeah. I'll just go here. Nice. But I know that he did better than him. Because he was one of the top 3. Crankbase. Because level 9s, level 10s usually beat me. I'm gonna put a wizard down. So he's gonna put that down. I'm gonna Crankbase. Put a blue down. Except that I was too late on the zap, so there was a sliver of help. My wizard is down. Then I'll put a tombstone down later. Tombstone in the center. Okay, I'm gonna put a lava hound in the back. Followed by a wizard. I'm gonna put a blue down. And if he has something, I'm just gonna put the zap. This looks like a 3-card. I'm gonna put a skeleton on me. I want to have a good game, more play, good luck, thumbs up. So that was a good battle. just have it in. Bob would promote him if he wants. Let me see the clan leader. He's been off the next one right now. He's a level 10. And beating him for a little bit. From 2 battles. Or no, 1 battle. Barely. So this deck is kind of similar to what I have. So let's watch that. It barely happened 7 minutes ago. It's a level 10 against a level 11. I think, in my opinion, I think Flash is gonna win because the Lavaloon strategy is a really good strategy to get trophies and to push. Flash is gonna put a tombstone down in the middle. Practice Reaper Brains. But Flash doesn't have another counter to his Reaper Brains. So the Reaper Brains are gonna destroy that tower. He's gonna ignore that if he's gonna put it all him down. Row 9 is gonna put his Royal Giant down. He's gonna put some of these down. And Row 9 perfectly puts a fireball where a skeleton army is gonna be that. He's just gonna put a Mega Mini down. What it looks like is that Flash is gonna put a tombstone right next to his King Tower. So now Flash is doing a mini push. If I were Flash, I wouldn't put minis down. I would just put the balloon down. That's what he's doing. And he zaps that. Flash's balloon goes into town. But Bro 9 has to instantly kill that balloon with a fireball. So Flash is gonna, looks like Flash is gonna go put some minions down. Flash is gonna put another tombstone. He's gonna put his lava hound in the base. I wouldn't do that if I were him. It just looks wrong. He's gonna put a balloon down. He's gonna put a mini down to distract that. In my opinion, no, it looks like Bro 9 is gonna win the battle. He's up too early now. And he might lose this. He just needs to put 1, 2. So close. Flash barely won that by 60 HP. Oh my god, this is a good deck. Use it in my opinion. This is the end of the video. Bye guys. Subscribe.